it! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Something like that. That was nice. What's going on, my friends? What's going on, Jared Tones? I hope y'all are well out there. I am back with another vocal breakdown, vocal feedback, vocal analysis, whatever you want to call it. I'm back, and I'm excited about this one. I don't get to talk about him a lot on this channel. I talked about him years ago. God, maybe during the pandemic last time I talked about this artist, but I wanted to talk about Lucky on here because he did some good singing on the Terrell Show. Shout out to the Terrell Show. I love what you do. Always have, always will. Love talking about these videos. So I want to talk about some of these moments that Lucky Daye had on this Terrell Show here. So y'all, let's dive into this thing and watch it together.
Wait on the Lord and keep his way, and he shall exalt thee to inherit the land. You don't know what scripture that is.
You better sing scripture. First of all, ha ha ha, ramamama, ha ha, listen. But you see how he kind of sings in this grin? Wait on the Lord. I can't sing quite like him, but you see what I'm saying? He kind of sits in this this grin while he sings. So you see a lot of his teeth when he's singing. That can kind of give a cool sound, a cool kind of bright sound, lack of a better term. Yeah, like a bright sound you can kind of get with that.
When I wake up in the morning time,
Oh my God.
sunlight cross my eyes. And then I skip to a lucky day.
I love how he kind of made this his own a little bit. And again, you see that grin. No, morning, but then lucky day, he got there, got wider.
Yeah.
Shut up!
He kind of stayed in more of that spread instead of some people kind of manipulate the vowel a little bit more on that part or on that song. He kind of stayed more and he's up there. He has a high voice to me. We're going to hear some of this highness a little bit later in this video, but he has a high voice to me. I didn't realize how high his voice was until I watched this and I was like, oh, he got some stuff up there, like for real.
Shut it!
Ooh, something like that. That was nice. That was nice. Ooh, it was an ascending run. Ooh, but it was all in that kind of heady voice.
Spotlights, big stage.
How many?
3,000 fans moving in a race.
That'll work.
I'll be your groupie, baby. You were my superstar, yeah. You gotta do that. I'm your #1 fan. Give me your autograph. Sign it right here. Sugar.
He had a nice little run right there. And the vowel changed a little bit. Sugar. Yeah. The changing of the mouth shape, changing of the tongue, changing of the jaw, all those things, the lips, all those things changed when he did that little run right there.
I have nothing to throw at him. Give me something. How would he say? The song said,
You are my superstar. Please do all that I can. Show you how super you are.
a round of applause. A big round of applause.
I was born by the river in a little tent.
In a little tent. There was no T on tent. In that river was river. I was born by the river. So it's river, almost like an AH, river, or like a UH.
And oh, like the river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long,
had a little anxiety there. Long, with a little aspirate stop there too.
long time coming, but I know Change gon' come.
Change gonna come. The teeth were together the whole time. I keep talking about his teeth. Change gonna come. You see, them teeth was together the entire time.
Oh, yes, you will. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak.
Preach it.
You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best that was in me. You lift me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe. I'm everything I am because you love me.
Love. That was like a Beyonce repeated run. Love. Whatever that run was, I am doing it totally incorrect. But the love me, whatever it was right there, that was nice. That was nice.
It's said and done. Life is better sharing with someone.
Done. Someone really sing through those nasal consonants and really letting those nasal ends. One said and done. Resonate the whole time. What I like about this is that his voice kind of got more sultry, more warm, if you will. Everything was kind of up here. The layers were kind of sitting higher. Everything was kind of sitting higher. But here, it's not as high. There's some lows in it. There's some low textures, some low timbres, you know, in his voice here. I appreciate that. There's subtle differences, but they get some depth to the voice, the entire voice that is Lucky Daye's.
Go ahead.
All in your head, questioning what intuition says.
And if you notice, his mouth is not as here, it's more here. It's kind of neutralized, localized. It's in your head. Instead of, it's in your head, it's not there. It's here a little bit. There's a little bit more overgrain still, but not as much as before.
Ask all the flowers.
Ask all, glottal onsets. Ask all the flowers. Real nice, clean glottal onsets there.
Any man in power, the birds, the stars, the sun, even has the moon. There's here and after, a void that matters. I found the truth just lying next to you, and I know you see me.
I know you see me. Little yodel flips right there. They were quick, but they were there. No, I know you see me. He switched registers a little bit. Switched vocal fold mass vibration patterns, thicker to thinner. I know you thinner see me. You know, that's what I'm talking about.
Pair of eyes, how can we prepare for life? Don't compete or compare with mine. Bear with mine, with those pair of eyes.
Better nah. Little breathy offset there. Na na na. Better nah. They were slight in intensity, but they were still present.
I'm not leaving, I'm paralyzed. Say love's easy, a pair of lies. No, you see me and you're terrified. Bear with mine. Compare with mine. Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she pretty? Less than 1 minute. Oh,
Hey.
I could have thought your love could be.
Da, 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 da. Remember I told y'all we could talk about his high voice a little bit? This is what I'm talking about. Da, 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 da. Stevie Wonder is not a low singer, okay? Stevie Wonder has a very high voice, and he's hitting it. Da, 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 da. I don't know if it's the same key, the original key, I'm not sure, but still, he's singing up there a little bit. Da, 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 da. And his mouth is back more wide. He kind of has that position where the jaw is kind of elevated a little bit, the head is kind of da, 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 da. And it's giving us that color, that really bright color that he has.
such a something to liberty. But isn't she lovely, made from love?
Dun, 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 dun. Hey! Now you're doing too much.
Baby, tonight is your night, and I will do you right. Just make the wish of your life.
It's almost like all of these endings of words have this covering. No, tonight is a night. La, 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 la. You see what I'm saying? It's almost like it all has that slight vocal throw and that slight covering of the sound. It's almost like the tongue kind of sits in a certain height and position. So tonight is the night.
Anything that you ask, I will give you the love of your life, your life, your life. I'll make love, hold you tight. I'll make love, will not let go to you. Tell me to, tell me, baby.
Sing. He had some nice stuff in there. That was nice. And he kind of keeps this lyrics high. I'll make love, hold you tight. Everything is here. And I also feel like there's a slight added pressure, air pressure. I'll make love, hold you tight. You see between those two things, that slight added air pressure here, plus a little bit of higher larynx. I'll make love. It really kind of gives that Lucky Daye sound to me. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed watching it with y'all. And as I will always forever say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, vocally you. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.